वेलकम डियर फ्रेंड्स। और आज का जो ये न्यूज़ है दिस इज़ वेरी सैड फॉर इंडियाज़ डेमोक्रेसी एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ट्राई टू just bring it to notice to my young friends and my colleagues, whoever is going to see this through social media platform. ये मुद्दा है बजट सेशन का, जो कि तमिलनाडु के विधानसभा में गवर्नर श्री आर.एन. रवि जो दिखाई दे रहे हैं आप स्क्रीन पर, तो आर.एन. रवि जी बजट सेशन पर भाषण देने वाले थे और वहाँ पर कुछ इस तरह की घटनाएं घटी जिसका डिटेल शायद आप इसमें लिखा होगा। और मैं न्यूज़ में सुन रहा था तो अचानक जब ये पेपर पढ़ रहा था तो इसमें ये न्यूज़ आया तो मैंने कहा कि चलो देखते हैं, इस पर ज़रा डिटेल्स जानकारी मिलेगी। तो ये है न्यू दिल्ली, तमिलनाडु गवर्नर आर.एन. रवि on Monday skipped his entire speech customarily read at the start of the budget session of the assembly, saying he disagreed with the numerous passages on the moral and factual grounds, sparking a political controversy. तो राज्यपाल को अभिभाषण में पढ़ना पड़ता है, राज्यपाल का अभिभाषण होता है तब सेशन शुरू होता है और उसमें जो गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज़ को ही पढ़ना होता है एक्चुअली। बट गवर्नर आर.एन. रवि ने डिसएग्री किया। उसमें कुछ लाइंस इस तरह की होंगी जिससे वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी के स्टेट में हेड होने के नाते उनको लगा हो कि ये दीज आर नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट, तो उन्होंने रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया। रवि वॉकड आउट ऑफ द हाउस आफ्टर स्पीकर एम अप्पबू read out the Tamil version of his speech. The governor's address on the first day when the House convenes for the year is customarily prepared by the state government. While Ravi was walking out, the DMK-led government passed a resolution to record the approved speech. The session began at 10 a.m. with a state anthem. थोड़ा सा नीचे हो गया था। तो ये था DMK led government passed a resolution to record the approved speech. The session began at 10 a.m. with the state anthem Tamil Thai Vajtu. Ravi began soon after by quoting Tamil philosopher Tiruvalluvar, जिसको APJ अब्दुल कलाम भी हमेशा कोट करते थे, and complaining that his repeated request to show due respect to the national anthem by playing it at the beginning and end of the address were ignored. तो यही मुख्य मुद्दा था कि रवि साहब आर.एन. रवि जो है नेशनल एंथम बाय प्लेइंग इट एट द बिगनिंग, शुरू में मतलब सेशन शुरू होते समय बजाना था और एंड में बजाना होता है, तो उसको इग्नोर कर दिया गया वहाँ पर। This address has numerous passages with which I convincingly disagree on factual and moral grounds, Ravi said. Lending my voice to them would constitute a constitutional travesty. Hence, with respect to the House, I conclude my address. I wish this House a productive and healthy discussion for the good of the people. This is the latest in a string of face-off between the state and the Raj Bhavan in recent months and is part of the similar trend across states ruled by non-BJP outfits. अब ये यहाँ पर जो ये विचार है, ये अपना एडिटर जो है जो लिखा है दिव्या चंद्र बाबू ने, इनका ही अपना विचार है। ओके, तो ये मतलब सबके अपने अपने विचार होते हैं और कुछ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स वेस्ट बंगाल में भी दिखाई देते हैं इस तरह के। ठीक है, तो रवीज कमेंट्स स्पार्क्ड अ ब्रीफ, यहाँ पर तो रवि जी का स्टैंड मुझे सही लगता है कि नेशनल एंथम तो बजना चाहिए बिल्कुल। रवीज कमेंट्स स्पार्क्ड अ ब्रीफ कमोशन बट Apu took over to read the Tamil version of the speech. Ravi continued to be seated next to the speaker. The 48-page speech was critical of the center's policies, such as the goods and services tax and said it was impacting the state's fiscal autonomy, alleged that central funds not being released for projects such as the metro rails phase 2 in Chennai and said that state would never allow the Citizenship Amendment Act. The speech also highlighted the Tamil Nadu's achievements, welfare schemes, and its economic growth. The speaker said that the speech was spent to Raj Bhavans for approval. He added that the issue over the national anthem was already resolved, given the practice in Tamil Nadu to play the state anthem in the beginning of a program and the national anthem in the end. The speaker noted that though they are ideologically different, the Tamil Nadu government, led by Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, has been treating the office of the governor with respect, and there would be no change in that stance. You have come from the path of Savarkar and Godse, Tamil Nadu, and the assembly is no less than you, the speaker said. Immediately after the governor walked out, even as the speaker said that the national anthem was about to be played, Water Resources Minister Durai Murugan began reading a resolution that the assembly would take on record the English and Tamil version of the prepared customary speech. However, later Raj Bhavan said that it received the draft address on the February 9 and found numerous passages with the misleading claims far from truth. The governor's office explained that Ravi rose for the national anthem, but he left because of the speakers targeting him. The honorable speaker, with his unbecoming conduct, lowered the dignity of his chair and grace of the house. Former Secretary General of the Lok Sabha PDT Acharya said that the constitution required the governor to be physically present and inform the members of the house about the activities of the government. The governor is not responsible for what is in the speech, which is prepared by the state government, Acharya said. The state law minister S. Raghupati said the address was approved by the governor himself. If he had doubts, he would have clarified. BJP's floor leader Nayanar Nagendran backed the governor's decision to walk out, saying the speaker used inappropriate words at him. तो ये तो है पूरा मामला, लेकिन इस मामले पर वॉकआउट किए उसमें एक जो मामला था वो नेशनल एंथम वाला, that I also feel bad that national anthem should be respected and must be sung as per the procedures.